guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome back to another episode of
YaadMentz Tries.
If you are new here, I am Devi.
I'm Sean.
And this is YaadMentz. We create wonderful content. We love to try new stuff. We like to try Jamaican stuff.
Yes.
We just like to have fun over here on this channel. So if it's the first time watching, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you are updated every time we post a video. You can be the first one to comment, the first one to like when you hit the notification bell.
Come on now.
Also, remember to follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz and like our Facebook page at YaadMentz also.
Of course.
So, what we have today?
Alright, so guys, today we are doing something that is new on the market. We found out that Red Stripe dropped a new flavor in their light line, and it's watermelon. We saw it, I was like, yo, we'll have to try this.
Actually, we never really we saw it online at first, like people was posting it in them stories.
Right.
We are looking at our supermarket and can't find it. We are searching on the place for it because we are saying we definitely need to try this for YaadMentz, and eventually we found it.
Yeah, we found it uptown.
Yeah.
But I am definitely a drinker of the light. I like the light line, especially the sorrel. When I go out to restaurants or stuff, I definitely order the light sorrel beer. I like the flavor, it tastes nice, so I hope the watermelon is just as good as the sorrel.
And me, if you're not watching YaadMentz for a while, you know that I'm not big on the alcohol. I'm not a big alcohol drinker. But you know, for the fun of it all, we're gonna be trying a little alcohol today. Yeah, I don't like beers. Just like, me I like that. That's probably at the bottom of the list.
The flavored beers are not bad.
Can I give my opinion or no? Or you want to tell me what I think about it? Alright, so beers is literally on the bottom of the list. Of the very short list of things that I tolerate. Alcoholic beverages that I tolerate. But you know, for the fun of it all, we like to try new things over here. So Auntie's gonna be trying this.
It's not bad. The flavors are to me are really good. It's something that you can
you like it, I don't.
Go out and order. It's not as the alcoholic volume in it is not so strong.
But what is the alcoholic content in it?
We do promote drinking over 18 and drink responsibly as well, because some people can't really manage the liquor thing. But anyway, that's none of my business. The alcoholic volume in this is 3.6% alcohol volume. That's not bad. That's weak compared to some other beers out there, but that's not bad. But today we're gonna try the light watermelon. Yeah. I like to hear the pouring.
Is it satisfying?
It sounds nice.
So it's satisfying.
Yeah.
Why you give me so much, friend? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Pray for me.
It smell like, you can smell the light beer
Lord, it smells
essence.
like beer. Ugh, I already know I'm not gonna like it. Let me not say that. Let's give it a try. Cheers.
It's not bad. Don't do that. People, don't follow her fear. She's not a beer drinker, so she don't like the flavor in it or just the taste of it. But when the lager hits the palate, you can definitely taste the melon in it. It really have that melon essence to it. So I think they definitely pass this one. This is a pass for me. This is definitely, if it's out there and it's available, I'll definitely get this one. But I do like the sorrel more. I think the sorrel it's more stronger than the watermelon right now, but the watermelon does have a nice taste to it, to be honest. Yeah.
Well, I guess that's that.
She's not a beer fan. She don't. As she said, she
don't
don't drink.
Like it. It has like a funny taste. Like a funny gingerberry kind of burny kind of taste. Y'all, I personally would not purchase it again, but I guess it's an okay thing. Because I don't really drink, I guess I'll give it a halfway thumb, but I mean, I guess it's okay.
I give it 2 thumbs up, as I say, you know, my thing. Red Stripe Jamaica, if you're watching this video, please send me a 6-pack. Thanks. Yeah.
Wow. No shame. No shame in the world. But yeah, guys, this was YaadMentz trying Red Stripe watermelon flavored beer.
Yeah.
If you guys have tried it, let us know in the comments section down below.
If you haven't, it is out there. It is available.
Maybe not everywhere.
Yeah, maybe not available everywhere.
You have
but
to look around a little bit because it just kind of hit the market still, in all honesty. So hopefully you can find it out there.
But it a gone. It a say something. Yeah, man. I think they might find
you
that
can
one.
have the rest of mine.
Thank you. I'll drink it. That's no problem.
My belly already speak like it's a bubble. Yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching today's episode. Remember to keep leaving your suggestions down below of what you want to see on our channel. Thank you guys so much for the love that you guys continue to show us. If you guys are a small business out there and you want to be featured on our channel, please send us an email, send us a DM, comment down below, contact me in some way, and we will make it happen. Remember also that we will be posting a preview of this video on our Instagram page, so make sure you're following us, and please tag at Red Stripe Jamaica so that they can see that we did this review. All in all, guys, big up on a good self.
Remember,
big up on a yardie self.
Please drink responsibly.
Please drink responsibly.
And you must be 18 or older to drink.
In Jamaica.
Thank you for watching another YaadMentz video. Big up yourself.
Yes. See you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.